stop. Before you put those chicken wings in a deep fryer, try this recipe. We're going to use some flour, some baking powder, and some backyard seasoning. We're going to fire up the smoker, put it on indirect heat, and just let it cook for about an hour and a half. And man, they get crispy, and you're gonna really enjoy these wings. So try this first before you deep fry your wings. And I think you'll really enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Cooking with Cam. Get you a sharp knife. Just chop your chicken wings. I normally take the little end part. Okay, I've chopped my chicken wings in half, separated them. I'm gonna pour them all in a big bowl like this. I patted them down dry. You want them dry. I'm adding 1 cup of flour, eighth of a cup baking soda, baking powder. I'm trying a new twist. This is backyard seasoning. This is real good stuff. I've tried it on a lot of stuff. So let's add a little of that in there. Give it a little color. Put about as much as you want, just how spicy you want it. That's what they should look like when you get done. Okay, we got our grill up running nice and hot. I'm gonna throw some wood chips. This is hickory I'm using. Spread them out. See if we can get a little smoke going. Put our plates in. Okay, we got our plates in here. Throw on our grill grate. Chicken on. Kind of spread them out so all of them will get heat. And finally, we're going to add just a little bit more of this backyard seasoning. Just give it a little flavor, give it a little color. Got my grill set on just below 1. I got my bottom vent barely open. So that should get us around 250. I want to run it about 250 if I can. Alright, we're about an hour in. I want you to look at this. Getting crispy. Looks like sizzle. They looking good. Neighbor brought me some sausage, so we got it on too. Okay, we just finished to cook. It took about an hour and a half. This is how they turned out. So before you turn on that fryer, go turn on your grill. Try this recipe out. And by all means, make you some chicken wings. Thanks for watching.